Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts all around the world, watching on YouTube or Facebook or wherever else this video is being seen. I know it's been a few weeks, sort of a unintentional unboxing today. I really wasn't intending to buy another watch quite so soon until the next, quite frankly, the next Zelos was introduced, which I think is going to be in any week or so from now. That's up to Elshin. But in the meantime, a friend of mine, my good buddy, my favorite Croatian, Devor, he did a review of a watch that, once again, he does a review of a watch, and I, like a good little watch fanboy that I am, I have to buy one. Just because. So I'm not really trying to copy Devore. I'm just, his taste is good. Sometimes he has a watch that I like, and I go ahead and get. So here it is. I've already taken it out of its shipping package, just because. And we slip away the outer box, which is in better shape than his was when he got it. And we see a PolAm. PolAm? PolAm. Polish American PolAm. And that is the Polish crest. I believe it's Polish crest. I'm half German and half Ukrainian, so I'm not Polish. So if I make a mistake on Polish heritage, please don't come and get me. I apologize ahead of time for any mistakes I make in that regard. So, nice red leather box. Very vintage looking in a way. I'd almost say kind of 70s, really. Really looks nice. And inside here is going to be a watch called the Hamtramck. Hamtramck? Hamtramck. God, that's a city in Michigan, and again, I'm not from Michigan, never been to Michigan, so if I've mispronounced Hamtramck, or whatever, again, I apologize. Don't come and get me. We have the PolAm Hamtramck automatic with a shark mesh band, which I love these bands. I have one of these bands on a Squale 1521 and love that band, and I love the fact that this has that band also. And all we have in there is the silica, which you're not supposed to eat, kids. It says, do not rat. Do not rat. Whatever. I'm not going to eat it, so no worries there. Now, watch. I just love that white face. White. And it says PolAm, and in Polish it says automatic. I'm not even going to attempt to try to pronounce that word. I just know it means automatic in Polish. And it says Hamtramck, 100 meter, 330 foot depth rating. And I decided to get the one without the eagle on the 9 o'clock position. Again, I'm not Polish, and I didn't think it would be right for a non-Pole to have that watch with a Polish eagle on it. So that's just me. I could be wrong. And we have a date complication on the 3 o'clock, and the nice arrow-ended hands with the I don't know if I want to call that a syringe second hand tip. That's not the right kind. I'm not up on all these different hand styles. I have to do a lot more studying. I know that a lot of my other divers have syringe style second hands, but this one don't. Now I heard it click. Boy, that thing is stiff. I wonder why it's so stiff. Doesn't want to turn. Maybe that'll help. Probably not. Oh, it did help. A little dinky. Where's my lens? Look at this. A little dinky thing like that prevented that thing from turning. That's just crazy, man. Come on. But it turns very smoothly without it. Oh, went right past the arrow. Very smooth action once you get that piece of plastic out of there. There you go. And the shark mesh band. Let's see. Brushed bezel with the red on the opposite side over here. Usually bezels have that relief color on this side for some reason. These guys decided to go that way. Okay, well, to each his own. A polished bezel with brushed case sides. I love the way the lugs just drop away, and polished on top, but brushed on the sides. Screw down case back, as you would expect on a diver. Screw down crown, it just pops right there. And let's see, one click should do the date. There we go. And today is the 2nd, is it not? Yes, it is. And one more click, and it sets the time. So now we're in the afternoon, and it's about, we'll call it 10 after 4. 10 after 4, we'll call it. And beautifully polished. I mean, for the money, the quality that this thing feels like is beautiful. And I know from reviews, especially Devore's review, that in Polish that says "strike while the iron is hot." Has the Polish eagle crest. It says PolAm down at the bottom there. And again, it says automatic in Polish there. And there's something else. Excuse me for a second. I'm sorry to take it off camera, but I can't see. And it is number 225 on there. I don't know 225 of what. Maybe somebody can find out, put it in the comments below, or email me of some sort. I don't know how many of each version they made of these, but I don't really care. I'm very happy to receive this. And let me give you some vital statistics. I have them written down right there. As I said, this is called the Hamtramck, 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 whatever. I think that's where they used to build cars at one point. I think they're AMC cars, but I could be wrong about that. We have a 46 millimeter diameter with a case made out of 316L stainless with the aforementioned shark mesh bracelet, which feels real nice on the skin. I mean, that just has a and look, nice thick bracelet, so it's not going anywhere. And I don't think it's going to have problems with pulling the hairs out of my wrist. Wrong wrist, but you get the idea. Let's see, it's a 10 atmosphere, 100 meter or 333 foot water resistance. And as I said before, it's using a Seiko NH35 movement. So bulletproof movement. It's going to run for years and years. We have a domed sapphire crystal. You can see the dome right there. And I'm sure as a good dive watch does, it has plenty of lume on it, which I'm not able to do lume shots because I'm not set up fancy like other folks. 13.6 millimeter thick, and lug width is a good standard 22 millimeters right there, and lug to lug she's a 53 millimeter watch. And now I'm going to take my Seiko 007 off. You can see I finally managed to get that bezel off. Now, a lot of you probably don't know that I bought one of these. I bought one of these was specifically for playing around with mods and stuff like that. And I've started with bezels. I'm having fun with that once I got the right tool and managed to figure out how to take the bloody thing off without stabbing myself again and again and again. So let's put this on, and it's too big, but I expected that. But that's about where it's so I'll work with it. Anyway, I'm going to wrap the video up with saying I love it, very happy with it, and encourage everyone to like and comment on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.